Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 137th edition release. All of the links for my Creative Time will be down below, as well as my design team sisters. Okay, jumping right in, we have beautiful basics, and so this is that paper right there, so pretty, and it is 6 inches by 8.5 inches, and it has 24 sheets for each of 6 designs. All right, and I'm just gonna kind of turn it this way so you can see everything. And so we have a beautiful polka dotted pink paper, and then we have larger polka dots with script in between the little polka dots. We have some striped paper, red, and another like candy stripe paper. We have one with a girl ginger on there, super cute, and it's in a tan color. Have argyle on the back side of that, and these are just so, this is probably my favorite. I love this paper right here. Has little stamps and things pertaining to a mailbox. And then we have some script paper in that color as well. And this one has snowflakes and a little bit of script writing, if you can see that. And on the back side of that, we have this gingham, really, really pretty. I love those colors of paper. And then we have green with the polka dots there. And we have some plaid paper there. And then it repeats. And so next up, I will be showing you the dies. Okay, everyone, I'm back to show you all of the stamps and dies for this month. Starting out, we have the Cue Card Pocket Sentiments, and just let you screenshot that. So this will go with the Cue Card Pocket add-ons. So if you have this die, which is the Cue Card die, if I'm not mistaken, if you have this die, it'll go with this size right here, the largest of the stitched, and this is a pocket that will be able to fit on that particular die. And then we have some tags, and then this is the insert to turn it actually into a tag. This is the layer that goes on top of that pocket. All right, and I'll show you that in a little bit in my project. And then next up we have the Santa December 25th dies, and this is something similar to the October 31st die, where you'll add on your little Santa hat, and it'll also come with the layering pieces for the hat, and then the layering piece that says December across there, and then this is 25th in the background. And then we also have some more little bitty impression dies that will go into the paper. We have organic, holly, Mary, cookies, and jam, joy, and jelly. And that actually goes like this. It is the right way, but that's the way it really looks. I just had it the other way. All right, so that's another set there for you. And then she's got the You've Got Mail dies, and this is quite a large die, but it goes together so quick, so easy. And she has the layering pieces here, and then this is the actual die piece there. This is the top, and then this is the back part of that mailbox, and then this is the layering piece that goes on top of the mailbox. And then we got a little lock there, as well as the part that holds the mailbox. And I'll show you that with the creation that I did. And then I also made it into another box, so I'll show you that as well. And that was the You've Got Mail. All right, and then these are the You've Got Mail add-ons and stamps. And so we got some more locks that you can use. Okay, we got some more locks that you can use, as well as the flag. And you have to have the add-on package to get that flag. So, and then got the pumpkin lock, the cup lock, and the heart lock, as well as the gingerbread lock. And this is just like a layering piece that you can use your stamps with. And then this piece goes with the flag there. And then here goes the stamps that'll go with that, and you can go ahead and screenshot that if you like. And then, so those are all the pieces. Now, I do have to say, with the pieces, if you want something to cut these out with that works perfectly, let me just show you that real quick. If you've picked up her rosette the Pretty Scallop Rosette dies. These will work perfectly with those little circles if you want to use that. And then I also used from another set, small one you can also use from the peppermint candy. You can use that. So those will work perfectly with the small ones. But I would suggest to actually use the rosette dies. Those work perfectly, and they'll have a little white border around it, around the outside. Up next, yes, we have the giant girl ginger. All right, so let me show you that first. And so you can check out all these pieces here. She's going to go the opposite way of the giant ginger from a couple releases ago. She has another bow there. She also has some hair to go around that ice behind the icing. And then these are some of the layers that you can put with that. And there goes some icing layers there. And then for the ginger faces, that will come with the ginger faces. And here goes that. So if you want your ginger to sing, she can sing. And she also has some other little stamps there, so you can go ahead and screenshot that if you'd like. Just really, really super cute. So check out my makes at the end. All right, and then we also have some giant ginger accessories. So we have a little dress, we have a little purse, a little mirror. There goes the layering piece for the mirror. These are the layering pieces for the dress, and then we got some buttons. We have a little tiara, the little snowflake wand, and a coffee cup. So those are all of the dies for this month. Now let's jump into what I've created. So from the new items, I used the Beautiful Basics paper pack, the Santa December 25th dies, Cute Card Pocket add-ons, as well as the Cute Card Pocket sentiments. From her previous releases, I used Christmas greens, jar label dies, script, hearts, and solids 6x6 paper pack, and the Cue Card dies. That's it. And so let me show you what I created there. So this was from the label dies, and there goes that Time to Celebrate from her Cue Card Pocket dies. And then this is where I put those Christmas greens, and I also took some of the smallest little berries from there and added them on that little mistletoe. And then that's how I did my December 25th die. I did add a little bit of strip of that red paper that I got from that 6x6 paper pack. And then if you'd like to add on to and from on the back side, you could. You can also turn this into a card and just lay that right on top of there, but I just thought I would use it as the tag holder this time. Really cute. There goes those layering pieces there. Love how that turned out. Okay, so for day 2, we were to concentrate on the You've Got Mail dies, along with the Merry Mail stamps. You've Got Mail accessories, and I also used, of course, the Beautiful Basic paper pad. Okay, then from the previous releases, I used the Peppermint Candy die set, Christmas greens, Etched Edge Z card, the purse die, and the Pretty Scallop rosettes. So for the first one I'm going to show you will be everything for the most part, except for this little stem here, came from her new release. And so to cut out this, I did use the Peppermint Candy, that little circle, the smallest circle that's in there, to cut out that little stamp set there. And then I also used the Christmas greens. And like I said, everything else comes from her new release. So I use the stamps, and I use that little, I don't know what that's called back there, but I put it in light gray. And then I just stamped special delivery just for you right on top. And then I used some metallic silver paper for that. I did make my put my brad on there to make that little flag movable, and love how that turned out. It is just so cute. She does have some envelopes that'll fit in the inside of there if you like. And I also thought this could also hold 3x3 cards if you wanted them to. And I want to say this is maybe measure 3x4 or something like that. But yeah, I think the 3x3 cards will definitely fit in there. Really cute. And then I wanted to try something a little different. And so I made a treat box holder, and love how this turned out. I did make it double-sided. This little gift card pocket came from the Etched Edge Z card dies. And like I said, I used the Pretty Scallop rosettes to cut out that. It's a perfect fit, perfect fit. Christmas greens there, and then that's from her new set there. I just stamped out a couple sentiments, one on each side there. And I used her lingering pieces also for the inside as well. And then this came from that purse die. Love how that turned out. Love the paper that I chose. And this color paper here came from the Ripped Hearts Solids 6x6 paper pack. So really, really cute. And I thought I would just decorate it with some shred in there. But super cute. I also thought that you can possibly turn this into like a caddy using her creative box die and make it four-sided. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm kind of thinking you can do that too. Okay, so would you check out this little diva here? Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyways, the last day. We had the giant ginger girl faces, giant girl ginger, giant girl ginger accessories, and of course I used that beautiful basic paper pack. And then from a previous release, I used the giant ginger accessories, which is where I got that little book from. Let's take a closer look at this diva here. Oh my gosh, did she not come to sing or what? Anyways, from the stamp set, I used the little music notes as well as the fa la la. On that purse, I added some little gems. I just love this little girl. I did put on her icing. And there goes her hair. And then that little bow, I did add on a little green gem right in the center of that black flower. Added a little eyeliner to her eyelashes. And then I also put some cheeks on with some freckles. And I made her mouth a different color from her hair just by, I just tapped the black ink right on top of that. And then I tapped with red. It was so simple to do. And then that dress, oh my gosh. I used all of the pieces to the dress. Just adorable. And then I used the back side of the green paper to just add that little strip right there on the book. And I did use a little bit of gray marker to color that in there. But oh my gosh, is she not adorable? Oh, I fell in love with her. She is just adorable. All right, so those are all of the items that I created for this release. And are they not cute? Absolutely adorable items. Small release, but it's packing a punch. So I'll have all of the links down below. Today, you can go ahead and pick up everything. I'll have the discount code, my Creative Time links, as well as my Design Team sisters, and all of the pictures at the end. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Let's get shopping.